Showed up. Shawty.
Good morning, everyone. I am about to head down to get breakfast, so I'm taking you all with me. Let go. Alright, so Sunday should have nature walk, beach volleyball, pool party, well, poolside jeopardy, aquasize. So let's see what tonight has. Oh, movie time, live music, idle couple, sing along, disco time. Hey. One.
Sorry. I was focusing on you
Right,
and the couple behind
yeah,
you.
yeah,
So
that's all right.
I don't to your right. The hostess will have you seated, okay?
Okay.
We'll have a good breakfast.
So going anywhere?
Yes, anyone. Good morning. Welcome.
Wow, there's a wait. Okay, so I've had breakfast, but I specifically came down because I wanted hot chocolate. So I'm heading into a place called Coco Cafe. They are 24 hours coffee shop. I guess I'll have a large cup of hot chocolate here to take back to the room. my room. Well, I promised her a tour, so I guess I already gave like a mini tour. So let me just go to the pool area, I guess. All right, so this is technically the back of the hotel. This is the view that I see from my room. I guess my room is right up there. I'm on the 3rd floor. So this is the grill, sea grill or whatever. So it's a bar as well. There are like pool parties and all of that. Really, really nice. So this is the St. James side of the hotel. And there's a guy just walking around, putting on sunscreen on people, I guess. But I'm not about that life. Studies have shown that sunscreen actually causes cancers as opposed to preventing cancers. I don't know. So we're walking past the poolside and the poolside bar. The bar is actually a swim-up bar. And this is the beach. Restaurants and everything that way. Okay, so I'm gonna take you all back up to my room. My, how you all enjoying this day?
We're loving it.
Loving it?
Mm-hmm. How about you?
I'm loving it as well.
Yeah. Where are you from?
Trinidad.
Oh, okay. So it's probably a nice day.
It is.
Yeah, exactly.
But it's nice to get a different view.
I played soccer with.
All right, you all enjoy this day. How you doing, room? Yeah, my room is a mess. All right, so I'm back in the room. I already gave you all a room tour. So remember I was talking about where I'm located, and the pool is right there. This is the view from my room. So I was there pointing up at here, and this is the view from my room. So guys, that's it. Bye.